Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative of each trigonometric function using the chain rule. And the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as 3x minus 5 times cosine of pi squared x squared. Alright, remember pi is a constant and x is our variable. So let's go ahead and take the derivative of y with respect to x. So that we can just take this piece as this 3, and then we have minus basically you're going to just do minus 5. Oh, I'm doing this one right here. 5 times the derivative of cosine is sine, and then you just copy down this inner part here, and then you multiply it by the derivative of this inner function. The derivative of this inner function is going to be 2 pi squared x. Okay, cleaning this up, we're going to get 3 minus, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply these two together. So that's going to be minus 10 pi squared x, and this is going to be times sine, and I'm going to fix this back up, and I'm just going to write it as pi x squared like they had it here. And that's all for that one. The next one's very similar, but it has a fraction, big deal. So I'm going to rewrite this first as the square root of x, or actually I'm going to write this as x to the 1/2. And this piece I'm going to write as sine. I'm going to square both pieces, so that's going to be 4x squared. Okay, now I'm going to take the derivative of y with respect to x. So the first piece is just going to be 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. Okay, the second piece is going to be plus 1/4, and then you take the derivative of sine is cosine, and you just write 4x squared, and then you multiply this by the derivative of the inner function, which is going to be 8x. Alright, this part here is just going to be 1 over 2 x to the 1/2, which is the square root of x, and I'm going to multiply all of these together, the 4 and the 8, so that's just going to be, well, I can't do the 4, so it's going to be 2x times cosine of 4x squared, or you could write this as 1 over 2 square root of x plus 2x cosine and bring it back to the way it looked up there, so that would be 2x squared. And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.